We are on the road again. It's been a busy week. Tipping into the Friday. Sun's about to set. We got a wreck down here on 300 West State. We're gonna get over there and get her gathered up, get it out of the roadway, and get it back in the yard. And we will take you along for the ride. From a Nissan to a, looks like a Jeep from here. Anyways, we'll see if we can get that rolled back over and on the bed. Well, we are on the road again. It's a lovely, what day is it? It's a Saturday, and it's probably about, I don't know, 1 o'clock in the morning. And if I look like I'm tired, it's probably because I am. I should be sleeping. And I guess it doesn't matter what time of year it is, it's going to be dark at 1 o'clock in the morning. But we're headed over to Leeds on a police impound. So they're down the Mill Street Road, or whatever they call it over there, that parallels I-15, and they've gone clear back down in the sand. So we're gonna work our way over there, and got Becca Rooney in the Cherokee. She's gonna follow me over there, and then we're gonna get that baby gathered up, get it back on the rollback, because I don't think the rollback's gonna get all the way into where this baby's at. So get over there and see where we end up, and we'll take you along for the ride. I mentioned it's 1 a.m. and I can promise you this, I can always hear a little bit of a giggle in the dispatcher's voice when they call me to wake me up for one of these in the middle of the night. I mean, let's give it to our dispatchers though. What amazing folks to run all these emergency calls and take care of the communications for the police officers and the emergency operations and tow truck drivers. So shout out to all the dispatchers out there for everything you do for public safety. This thing don't like focusing in the dark.
What do you want me to do? Turn around? What do you want me to do?
Squeak, 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 squeak. way back out of here. We got that thing gathered up and had to drag it about 200 yards back to the tow truck, and then I finally figured out how to take the park brake off. But then again, it is 1 o'clock in the morning or whatever the heck time it is, so didn't pick a very good place to turn around back there, but we got her out no problem, and thanks for coming along for the ride.